I'm up here on Bald Knob Hill at the Wetumpka Impact Crater Educational Viewpoint number 2. And if you like the fall colors, you're going to love this video. I went up on Bald Knob Hill today. It was just a spectacular view, not a cloud in the sky, clear for the most part, but the colors are just breathtaking, unbelievable. I was up here about a month ago and I said I would come back and make another video to show how the fall foliage is changing. Just absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, in the center there, upper center, there's the sports complex. Kind of give you a little rundown of where we're at. And then we're coming over to where the city is. There's the bridge for the Wetumpka Bridge, the Bibb Graves Bridge. And the river there, the Coosa River. And we're coming around to where the casino is. See the river in the upper left, and then the casino building. But the colors are just beautiful. They make some beautiful photographs as well. That green patch in the upper left-hand corner there is where around Lowe's and where you turn to go to Fort Toulouse. And upcoming in just a few seconds, you will see the eagle that comes across the screen. Unbelievable, beautiful. I had an encounter with, I think, 3 eagles today. Could have been the same eagle, but they were flying all around. I saw a group off in the distance that I did not, a group of birds off in the distance that I didn't quite know what they were. There goes the other eagle. But isn't that just a beautiful, beautiful fall foliage? And this is the Impact Crater Educational Viewpoint number 2. And we're coming around to where the towers are there on Bald Knob Hill. I'm probably more than 100 yards away from those towers, so I'm not even close. So even though it looks relatively close, here I'm going to head over the ridge there and take a peek over the hill and look down upon Wetumpka. In the center right up there, you see the bridge, the bypass bridge, and that's Highway 231 north to in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll have the Russell Dewitt Center over there and the hospital. Just a beautiful, gorgeous day to fly. That's 231 going by the town above Wetumpka. And then of course you see the Coosa River in the background, and those rocks, I understand, are part of the impact crater that are in the river that you can see there. And we're coming around to our little community of Wetumpka. This was about 1:30 in the afternoon today, and it looks like there's quite a folks there at Coach's Corner. What a surprise. Not really, they're always busy. The And there's the Bibgrave Bridge, and then of course downtown Wetumpka. See the lock over there along the river. City Hall, there's the other Eagle just past below. And I'm panning down to see if I can see it, but I wasn't quick enough, I guess. Coming back around to where you can see the casino, and I'm going to fly parallel to 231, heading south for a little bit, but the colors are just fantastic. It was really a pleasure to be up there flying today. See Walmart up there in the upper left across from Lowe's. There again is 231 headed south. And we turned around and coming back over the crater. See all the beautiful fall foliage. Splendid, splendid colors. It's that time of the year. Look at that, isn't that just beautiful? Little green mixed in with it, just God's paintbrush. Incredible. If you like this video, hit the like button. Makes me feel good. Also, hit the subscribe button too. That way you'll see all the videos that I post as they become available. I really enjoy making these videos about our little community, Wetumpka, Alabama. There's the power line there at the viewpoint near all of the towers. Again, hit the like button and subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching.